asuntoskeittiö Martinlaakso.
Yeah, today is the 29th of July 2021. We have Raappavuorenreuna Skapapäärikskanten, 4 staircase F, and this is the 6th and last staircase in this residential building. And this is built in 1971, turning 50 years old this year, 2021, with MP6 fixtures. The capacity is 3 persons of 204 grams, and the serial number is H25179. It's going to be second in next year, 2022. Let's ride it. Yeah, so this is in Martinlaakso, modernized Sports region, Uusimaa-Finland, Finland. And in Länsi-Vantaa, Vantaa. And we can take a second ride here, a silent one.
Yeah. Expected parking wise, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Now back to the first floor. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch all the 5 other staircases here in this residential building. And that's from early 1971.
That's